I was so terrified when I first started exporting. One of the bits that really scares me is the paperwork, just because I know if we get it wrong, it can hold up products in customs. And as a small business owner, it can definitely be a little bit tricky, juggling all the different plates, finding the time to export. I think the main barrier for female entrepreneurs is confidence and the fear of getting it wrong. It just tips us over. Maybe it's a bit easier for us not to do it. But I think, again, the benefits of doing it and what you can do with your business by exporting is just insane. The Welsh Government have been so good to us as a business to help us export. They've helped us with adapting documents, trade missions and market research. The hand-holding we've had really, and the knowledge that we've gained as a business, as an SME, it's really good. I'm a farmer's daughter from top of a mountain. We're exporting to America, to Germany, to New Zealand, and that's just bonkers. I just think actually if I can do it, anyone can do it. We're really excited about our future in exporting, and we couldn't do it without the help from the Welsh Government.